Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Wednesday as promised. The hats arrived a little early yesterday, and I'm going to do an unboxing for these. I'm going to show you guys 1900 hats, exactly what came in them, and hopefully really good stuff. I saw the eBay store. I bought out the eBay store. I saw the eBay store before. I scrolled through hundreds and hundreds of hats. I found tons of them that were great. I'm going to show you a little preview of some of them as we go through. Got a lot of questions yesterday. Not going to sell them in bulk. This is going to be my inventory to list. I may do some whatnot auctions, which I'm working on getting that live show set up. If I did a bulk purchase, like somebody wanted to buy 100 or 200 hats, I'd have to sell them for too much money because I paid up a little bit for these. But I just not really interested in doing that. Sorry. But if you see individual hats that you like, or you check the eBay store, Treasure Chest FL, you're certainly welcome to buy them. Send me a message. I'll give you a discount code or something to get them cheap. All right, so I'm just popping into some of these boxes. You know, there's stuff like that. And what else do we have? A little tie-dye hat. There's, like I said, there's always good with the bad. Look, this Route 66 hat is pretty cool. New York Jets hat, Jets, of course. Callaway Golf from Carlsbad, California. So when I say the average sale price was like $24, you always get ones, Adidas hat, that are worth 10, 12, 15. You get ones that are worth 50, and it averages out. Cool New Jersey Devils camo hat, Polo Club hat, the Gap, kind of vintagey, Boston Winter Ball. Don't even know what that is. Have to look some of these up. Don't sleep on these because some of them I have no idea what they are, but they're worth $20, $30. Snap-on, that's like the tool company. That's pretty cool. Six Flags Batman hat. That'll be worth pretty good sale price. Posh. Maybe a Posh seller wants that. New York City. I don't even know. Yeah, so we'll just go through some of these. Look at this Napa Racing number 15 NASCAR hat. That's pretty cool. Yingling hat. So there's every kind of hat imaginable. Like I said, there's sports, there's NASCAR, there's alcohol ones, there's snapbacks. I saw John Deere, there's Disney, there's everything you can imagine. Adidas, Nike. There's a Von Dutch one, I think, in here. Look at this cool 76ers vintage style. I don't think it's old, but it looks vintagey. Pink Victoria's Secret, Canada hat. Everything you can imagine is in these boxes. Let's thank the sponsor of our channel in today's video, List Perfectly, the best and fastest cross-listing tool for resellers. They'll help you get your inventory in front of 12 platforms in just minutes, including eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Shopify, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, and many others. Thank List Perfectly for the time and effort they've put into bringing you this amazing tool. Save 30% on your first month or upgrading a month with List Perfectly using discount code ROCKSTARLP. I'll put it down in the description box. They do an amazing job. They have an amazing team, and we want to thank List Perfectly for being a sponsor of the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Check out the two I just pulled out of the boxes, you guys. Florida Gators. My neighbor's a huge Gators fan. I'll show him that later. But also, United States Navy Top Gun Fighter Weapons School hat. Don't know where this one originated from, but very, very cool. Okay, so success. I got rid of all the boxes that were just right there. You just saw them right there. I got to get a garage floor covering. I might do some epoxy or some of those racetrack squares. I don't know. Anyways, we condensed and got rid of 6 of the boxes, so we were able to take it from 26 to 20, and they are setting right there. And now we can just pull from these every day and list on eBay. We can go grab a box, carry it inside. That way we're not overtaking our house. We work on the box, we list the box, and over the next couple of weeks, we can bang out all of these. Of course, I have that big 14,000 piece order coming, so I'm gonna have to work on that too. But this is all of our inventory to list. A little bit more, we gotta work on that pile. All of that is listed inventory. And then, of course, at the new storage unit, we will have those 14,000 pieces. So we're going to be busy for the next couple of months at least. But the idea right now, our eBay store has 1,600 active listings with 2,000 total after quantity. And our goal, including the 14,000 pieces that will be listed, I think about 10,000 right away. So we're hoping to get to 15 to 20,000 pieces in the next, I don't know, 3 months-ish, 2 months, 3 months. There you go, guys. That's 1,900 hats right there. And while we're talking about it, let's go ahead and do a little bit more unboxing because Kate needs 30 or 40 of these to list right now today. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out a bunch and give her to list, and then we'll let you see some more of them. You already saw a couple. Okay, I'm going to go through some more of these just so you guys can get an idea of, like, when I say there's every type of hat, some more of these. I don't know what that is. Injuku Racing. Train Conductor's hat, which they sell pretty good. Look up the comps. Washington Nationals hat. That's pretty cool. Let's go through another box because I think this might be the one I started on the other day. I did get some clothes. There's all kinds of Charles Tyrwhitt and Columbia and button downs and things. All right, so here's some more hats. Lexus dealership hat. New York Mets hat. Philadelphia Phillies hats. Lots of sports hats. Not sure, is that like a California logo hat? Some kind of Pelican hat. Programmed for Etiquette hat. Star Wars Funko Pop hat. That's pretty cool. Take the Funko Pop. Coronado Beach, Puerto Rico hat. What else we got? Another Lexus hat. I'm telling you guys, there's all kinds of stuff. Habitat for Humanity hats. Some of those charity hats and church hats, they sell pretty consistently, man. I looked up probably 200 hats one night this lady had. What do we got up here? We got Echo Unlimited. We got, looks like a San Diego State hat, maybe. TSC, Tractor Supply Company. Tractor Supply Company. It's Everyday Bro. This is a Logan Paul hat or a Jake Paul, whichever one of those two. 76ers hat or Portland Trailblazers, whichever that is. The Brooklyn Nets hat. Boy Buy, something somebody had made. That's pretty funny. So we could go on and on hats for days. Polo Company hat. Cal State hat. Bud Light NFL hat. I mean, you guys kind of get the idea, right? Pink Victoria's Secret hat. Just on and on and on. There are literally 1,800 or whatever amount of hats are in here. It was 2,000 pieces, and she told me there was a few hundred hats or a few hundred pieces of clothes. When I looked through her store and I sorted by hats only, it came up with like 1,550 or 1,600. And then there were some that were not in the store category. So what I'm thinking is she had 300 pieces of clothes, leaving 1,700 items. She had 1,550 in the hat category and 150 not. So it's probably 1,700 to 1,800 hats and about 250 to 300 pieces of clothing. There's a couple pair of jeans in there, silver stuff I saw like that. So that's what we did. We were able to clean that little section up that was over there. It was all piled there, and now it's just stacked up there, and then I'll work on that last pile and we'll be good. And it's back to business. Also, guys, once in a while, I'll throw a little personal stuff in the video. If you've ever seen my house or the house tour, you probably know what it looked like out front on either of the sides here for the landscaping. Let me show you one of my neighbors real quick. That's kind of what the builder gives you. It's kind of like just some planty looking stuff. That's a different house than ours, but same idea. We went ahead and added this retaining wall. Black slate with black granite stones and white stones and slate stones. And then we put some of our outdoor furniture there, everything there. So, and then that's called a Christmas palm. Of course, I still have the rental car here. Oh man. And then on this side, another Christmas palm and some blue flowers, little red and yellow things. I don't know. Some of you might be plant people. I have no idea what they're called. All I know is Kate picked them up and had them put in. And our landscape guy, Jonathan, if you're local, BBF Landscaping and Tree Service, he does awesome, Jonathan Alvarado. And yeah, so we did a little bit of the outside work there. It's starting to come along a little bit. All right, so that was a little bit of a look at the bulk purchase, the 1,900 hats. And like I said, we got them over here. We took them out of that little section and we got them stacked up nice here. So we just started digging and hopefully we can roll through these in a week or so before the other stuff gets here. There's just so many hats to just look at. I mean, Phillies hats and Eagles hats and Hermosa Beach hats and US Polo hats and an FBI hat. And you just, I mean, it goes on and on. Boston Celtics hat. It just, there's so much. So hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of taking a look at how we process bulk orders, how we store them, how we do everything, and how we'll get through this as quickly as possible and then move on to the big one. Stay tuned for that video. Subscribe to the channel because when those 14,000 items show up, it is going to be insanity. There will be so much work, so many pallets, so much unboxing. You guys are going to enjoy that and love it. So in the meantime, have a wonderful rest of your evening. Hit that like button if you enjoy the video, you enjoy all this bulk purchasing and selling that I'm going to be doing. And of course, like I said, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the future videos. And until then, guys, I'll see you later.